Hey all, it's Alma with the Cat's Pajamas, and today I want to show you how to create this cute gnome lollipop holder. It's easy to make with our downloadable Cutable. You get SVG files and PNG files, so you can create this holder with or without an electronic cutting machine. If you have a color printer, you can print them out and cut the PNG file. Or, if you have a black and white printer, attach the printout to whatever paper you wish to use, then cut out along the solid lines. I'm using cardstock for mine. Once you have the two pieces cut out, attach the beard to the base, which has 3 holes in it. I like to do this by adding adhesive to the area on the base where the beard will be. That's under the hat and above the score lines. Then attach the beard and let it dry completely. Once the beard has dried, you can add the lolly. Fold along the score line, then prepare your lolly. I like to trim off any excess wrapper that might not go through the center hole. Insert the stick into the center hole and adjust the lolly so that it fits within the holes. Then use strong adhesive to close up the top. I'm using foam tape because I think it gives a little bit more room for the lolly. Close up the holder. The holes on the lolly holder are smaller than the widest part of the lolly. This helps hold it in place. And that's it. If you want more color or you want to create a bouquet, insert the lolly stick into the center of a straw. If you plan on presenting the lolly on the stick, glue the stick into the straw. It's a fun and simple holder that elevates any lolly. Hope you give it a try. Have a great day.